Hi, and welcome to Norse Nature. I am your host, Jane Pines, and today we are here in this lovely forest park in Sweden. And we are going to do something very exciting. Today we're going to search for the very rare Swedish panda. I'm here together with my lovely camera crew and together we're going to search for it. Okay, so now I'm going to showcase my equipment. Remember, these are real and dangerous tools and should never be considered as toys. First, we have the lovely machete. We have one sharp blade end and one rough saw end. Perfect for cutting through wood and other nature in your path. Not a toy. Second, we have a composite compound bow, like that, and let go easily. Not a toy. With that, we have some arrows. We have these composite arrows that goes with the bow, not toys. And we also have some longer wooden arrows, still not toys. Remember, I am a professional, so kids, never try these at home. Thank you. Okay, so now we are deep in the woods and we're trying to find the Swedish panda. It's going to be hard because it's very hard to spot, but we're gonna try. Come on. Okay, we have to be very quiet. It's not to disturb it. Look. There it is. You see it? Get closer, get closer. Get closer, look. Closer. Yes. Oh my. No, it's getting away! It's getting away! No. Where did it go? No! Oh my god, I was so close! Okay, cut. Well, that's all for today, folks. At least we got to see it. But I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next episode of Norse Nature. I'm Jane Pines, and I bid you goodbye.